Good morning from California Disney Adventure Park. That side though. Really cold right now. It's like 46, I think. We are gonna go inside and do go to our reservation that we have for at the Lamplight, and we are doing breakfast there. Today is just gonna be all adventure side, no Disneyland side. Not this trip, not during this trip, sadly. But maybe next time when we come here, we'll do a park hop. But let's go ahead inside and then let's go check into our reservation. All right, as soon as we walked in, the first thing we see is Pluto, but then he's walking away.
That's my favorite thing about this.
But the first thing I want to show you guys is while we're walking down is the 100 Years of Wonder. Look at this. They're putting out decorations for 100 Years of Wonder, and this is amazing. And the best part about Disneyland California, the characters walk around.
But they do them both.
Yeah, they do them both parks. In Orlando, we live in Orlando. We usually have to wait in line just to go to meet a character. In California, you don't. They just walk around. Some of them you do have to wait, but most of the time they will walk around and have a meet and greet while they're walking. And left over here is Mickey. That's awesome. If you walk straight to your left side right here is the Avengers Campus side. We will go over here later. Since today's a Lunar New Year, they are having food stands right over here. We are gonna try some food whenever they open. All right, we're inside the Pixar Lamplight. Look at all these designs. Me and Cindy love the movie Up, Pixar Up, and now we're just looking at this. So the mailbox that me and Cindy have. The jar that we have at home too. Also the book, the picture. There goes Ellie. We also have all different kinds of movies right over here. Today, this is the brunch menu right here that we have. The brunch burger. I'm getting the brunch burger because this is the menu by the way. I love this. Yeah, Lamplight Lounge Brunch. Imagination Land. Pretty nice. I'm getting the mimosa flight. And it's always seasonal flavors too. I think this comes with 3, right? It comes with 3, right? The mimosas? Yeah. So it should come with 3. That's what Cindy said. Pretty cool. Cindy's right behind the cocoa. Alright, so we just got mimosas flight. This is mango. This is strawberry. This is pineapple. And this is raspberry. This is 4 different flavors. It's always seasonal, so it's a good thing I got it. So I'm gonna start with this one first. It's not bad. I like it. I'm gonna try this one too. This one's the pineapple one. This? It's alright. That one's alright. That one's okay. So this is the watermelon, the strawberry. I think I got them confused. That was kind of weird. I'll try this one also. What is it this one was? Mango. Oh wow, you smell the mango. It's really strong. I love mango, so this is gonna be a good one. That one's good for me. Out of all of these, I think I like this one better. So this one's first, this one's second, that's third, and this is fourth. So this is gonna be my last one. This is what came out. I wanted it scrambled instead of sunny side up, but also got the hash brown patty right there. Also got the beef on the top, the cheese. I got pickles. Got the fat lettuce. And then I got the crispy bun. I don't know what that is. I think it's like chipotle mayo. I'm not sure. But we also have the drinks.
I got the Lamplight. What is it?
I think the Lamplight shit. I forgot. This is Lamplight.
Chimichanga? Something like that.
Alright, since we're done with the brunch, now we're gonna ride the Incredicoaster. Watch how they take off.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Very fast, very fast. You ready?
I like it.
For your safety,
Alright, here we go.
put the shoulder restraints and blocks in place. Keep your head.
Alright. Alright, here we go.
Keep your eye on Jack Jack.
Get forward. Hold on.
Oh, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was awesome. Oh. Look at that. So we just got done with the credit coaster. But right now we're about to head to the Amazing Spider-Man, yeah. What's it called? Web Slingers, yes, Web Slingers. Sorry, I can't pronounce these because we don't have these rides over there in Orlando. We're getting deja vu, to be honest, because this is where I proposed to Cindy.
Not exactly.
Not exactly here, but right over there. Right there. Yeah, right here. As you guys see, if you guys see my other video where I proposed to Cindy, this is where I actually did it. Yep. Just like this. Just like that. Since we're walking down to Avengers Campus, we are seeing a lot of people just eating the Lunar New Year food around here. Yeah. That was a fun little show that we saw, but me and Cindy didn't really stop because we already saw it. It's the same show, but it's still pretty fun to look at. Like I saw him like jumping, like swinging across. Well, I didn't get the part of. I didn't get that part though. I'll get the part when he was crawling down the wall. Yeah, literally. That's fine. That's cool. That's cool.
I'm glad to see you guys. They worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, it's what we did without them.
That was also your idea.
Well, that was good. Oh my god. That was cool. Me and Cindy beat me. I wasn't really trying because I was trying to get the camera. Trying to stay still, but keep moving. There's no excuses.
We missed
camera. Hello. Can we keep you? Alright, and this is where we're gonna draw. We're gonna go draw something. I don't know what we're gonna draw, but oh look! Wow, and trolley is coming. And while we're about to get in, there's a trolley coming by.
Oh, look, it stopped right here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it says it right there.
Oh, so when you so when you see one of these, that's when you can stop. Well, that's when they stop and try to get in. And this is mine. And show Cindy's. That's Cindy's. Yeah, we drew Goofy today. It's Sporky.
Mine. He just looks a little fat.
So we are gonna go ride Monster Inc. We did the reservation. Oh, monorail! Perfect timing. So me and Cindy just came out of the Avengers Campus store. Nothing there that we needed to see, but now we're walking past by to see the parade.
Dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. The swirling colors of the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates the rich heritage of the dances, while Wushu's favorite ancient art forms. It represents beauty, grace, and delicacy. Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Oswald the Lucky Rabbit as we celebrate the Year of the Rabbit.
Alright, we're about to go in and ride.
I'm happy they got to see the Lunar New Year on the show.
Yes.
Because I want to see it. We've never been here for that, ever.
And it's the first day.
It's actually the first day, so we need to try some food too, because they have little like kiosks too, kind of like how Epcot does for a festival. I think it's the same way because it's a festival, right? Like the Lunar New Year festival.
Shook me like a doll. It's true. I saw the whole thing. Happy birthday, Sloopsy Boo.
Oh, googly bear!
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
My cool Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Come on, this way.
Hurry up, Sully. Hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
Oh, goody. Another camera. Good thing I had my hair undone. Jesus. Make sure you get my good side.
This way?
Call me Will Do Lunch.
You guys will never see this in Disney parks. There's an actual cat right there.
You know, like the one at Raging Waters, Adrian? Yeah. It's like that, but
He's sleeping.
not in the water. Like you're not getting wet, kind of.
Look, he's over his eyes. That's weird.
If you look at it, I was born in 1999, so I'm the year of the cat and the year of the rabbit. Because one is for Vietnamese, and the other one is for Chinese, right?
Yeah, Chinese and Korean.
Yeah,
Korean.
Yeah, so I'm both. And Mateo's the year of the tiger, but this year is not his year. It's my year. So just put my head right here.
So I am gonna get the right spice fried chicken bites, and Cindy's gonna get the elote. He said that the chicken spices are gonna be spicy, so we would have to try and see. All right, so this is the lanyard of the Sip and Savior Pass.
Yeah, and it's because today is the start of the Lunar New Year. Yeah, and Disney does like this cute little like festival for it.
Yeah, so it's basically worth it if you only get like the expensive food, like this was like $9. The chicken.
Yeah, he said
fried
anything
bites.
that was like over $8, it would make it worth it.
Yeah, anything under less than $7, and it's not. But I say it's gonna be worth it. It's only $45 if you're in Disneyland though. They only do this in
Disney
Disneyland.
California.
Disney California side. All right, and
And then basically he says you tell the cast member what you want, and then depending on how many things you get, you just hand them like for each thing.
Yep, and it's free except for that alcohol drinks. The alcohol drinks you have to pay out of pocket. All right, Cindy's gonna try it the first
We
time.
have nothing to drink. This
Yeah, I
is
know.
dangerous. I'll probably go get water then. Should I go get water?
We do it right now. We're keeping the people waiting. It's good. It is spicy.
I'm gonna go get water.
I'm gonna go ahead and take another bite. It's good. Really good. Like I said, it's spicy. So if you're gonna get this, prepare to get water. You okay?
No, it's spicy too. It wasn't that spicy.
You should have gotten another water for
But
me.
then I tried the sauce, and the sauce is spicy. I don't like spicy.
We're done with all our food. And we're about to ride the Incredicoaster again. We're in front row, look at this.
Hey,
Look at
They
this.
forwarded! Hold on! 5, 4,
Oh, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh man. It smells like cookies.
Cookie!
Once again. Woo. That was awesome. All right, we just got done with the Incredicoaster. Now we're about to hit into the Lunar New Year.
I wonder what it shows.
Yeah. All right, so we just came here to get some things. But you write down what you want to wish for, and then you just hang them up right on the chains. Look at this.
It's cute.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, I like it.
I like it. Yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I might copy it. So me and Cindy decided to get one of these Mickey Mouse shaped hot dog buns. I don't know what's inside of it. Probably a hot dog. Actually, there's hot dogs right on top of it. But me and Cindy decided to get one of these to try it out. Oh look, it's actually pretty big.
It's so cute.
Yeah. It's pretty big. It's almost the same size, probably almost the same size as my hand. Sydney already eating a few bites, and she's just saying it tastes like bread. Because she's eating only the bread part.
You try.
Try it with the hot dog, that's what I'm gonna do.
In your face.
It's good, but it could have been better when it's warm.
Yeah, it is a kind of cold. Right?
The hot dog is pretty cold.
Yeah, it's kind of cold. So
we
went to like a pin trading, because there's like stands where you can pin trade. So we went to one so I could get a new pin. So I switched the one I had and I got this one, right?
The Alice in the Wonderland one.
It's like the doorknob, and as we're like talking to her, she sees that we have a pin, and we're like telling her, like, she says happy anniversary, and she's like, what we're celebrating like our 1 year of Mateo proposing, which was literally like, you know, almost 1 year ago. And she literally was like, I got something for you, and she gives us a gift. And when I tell you, this is probably the cutest thing ever.
And we'd never experienced this before, ever.
Yes, that's what I call it, Disney magic. Look at this, guys. Look, she gave us bread.
It's a big bread of Mickey face on it.
Mickey-shaped bread that I'm bringing home.
It is so cool because you never see that, and we never experienced that ever in Disney.
Oh my
like nobody
God.
has ever done that to us ever in Disney.
That's so cool.
That is
so
so
happy.
cool.
She surprised me.
I know. I was lucky about to cry, to be honest.
You cried, baby.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. See you on Victory Lane.
Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. We're waiting in that line. I'm meeting Mater.
How you doing, Mater?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. It's so nice over here. The sun's already down for the sunset. But we decided to come back to this spot because Cindy forgot we had to take a Polaroid picture. But we are gonna end the video though after we take this picture. Because me and Cindy are kind of tired. We're still getting used to this time because right now I think it's like 6. No, right now it's like 5. Like 5 o'clock, right?
Right now?
Yeah.
It's 5:18, yeah.
It's 5:18. So 5:18 is 6, 7, 8. So it's probably like 8 o'clock right now, and we're pretty tired. All right, guys, this is the end. This is gonna be the end of the video. What do you think of today? Today,
It was good. I feel like we didn't do that much. I don't know why.
I don't know why either. It's a pretty small park. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe if we would have done park hop, we would have done like this park and the other one.
We
But
never done park hop before. We always do 2 separate parks in 2 different days. And like I feel like we always don't do everything like when we come here. But today we're like done. And it's like 6.
everything was fine. We didn't get a chance to get it right. Guardians of the Galaxy. It was too.
I didn't want to ride it.
She didn't want to ride it. Plus, my head is like hurting right now, so it's fine. I'm still.
We're getting old.
We're already 24 years old. Okay, relax. It is a wonderful day here, and we will never know how long or how.
When's the next time we'll be here?
When is the next time we're gonna be here, guys? So
that's why. That's why we like to come.
Yeah.
And even though we didn't write anything, just being here.
Yeah.
Like we've had so many.
No, it's okay.
We had so many like magical moments today. Like from the beginning on our brunch with what was his name? You remember?
Oh, Armando.
Yes.
Armando.
From him,
Yeah.
from the beginning, because we literally walked in, went straight into brunch into Lamplight, which you can see right behind us. Woo!
Lamplight is literally right here.
So from that morning that we went in there, he was our server, and he was probably like the best server I ever had in the world. And he like just made the day good. Like he gave us props, like told us about the changing menu. It's very helpful. Took pictures of us. Very nice.
Yeah.
And then throughout the day, no problems at all. We got to ride an Incredible Coaster twice. Like super fun. And then we did the animation.
Oh yeah, the drawing. Oh my god, yeah, my drawing was terrible. Let's not talk about that.
I like my
Let's not talk about that. Oh no, everything has been great. I am gonna miss this when we do leave though. I am gonna lie. And
I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave either.
Because of the fact that we're not 2 hours away from home. We're like hours
We're
away
from
from
West
home.
Palm Beach. We're just 2 hours away from Florida.
So like,
Not from Florida, from Orlando.
So like, I don't want to leave, but I'm tired. I'm still a bit like it feels like I'm jet lagged. I don't know how that feels. But like, I have a headache that hasn't gone away since I got off the plane.
Bro, dude. I had the headache since this morning, and I feel like it was just a drink maybe, but I'm not too sure.
We did a drink.
Yeah, so
It could be that too. We drank and then rode the Incredible Coaster right after.
yeah. Sorry for the long outro because you know we're trying to enjoy this moment of this beautifulness, all the lights. But I am gonna end it for real this time. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.